Hey, is your Datsun 280Z shifter like this, where it's all wobbly and it doesn't feel like it's really positively going into gear? Your bushings are probably like this, completely shot. So yeah, we got the kit to rebuild it, and we'll take you through the steps. This is what's included. It's a new pin, it's a new guide bushing, and a new, I don't know if these would be collars. And then that would be the bushing, and it comes with a new C-clip. But yeah, let's get on with it. Yeah, let's take the C-clip out. Oh, got paint on it because I'm painting my fucking floors. Don't need it, getting a new one. Don't need it, getting a new one. Okay. Hey. Make sure it goes inside the shifter hole. Oh. Man, oh man. I wonder if your guys' is so fucking disgusting. If I was a smart man, I'd get some brake clean, but that ain't me. Shit. Okay. I got some copper never sees because I like this stuff. Come on. Huh. Ah, here we go. It's got to go on that little half moon. Be easier with a flathead, but I didn't grab one, did I? Because it's Phillips to take the console stuff out. Ooh. And there we go. C-clip is on. Now look at that. One, two, three, 4, 5. Reverse. See, I'm fancy because I got a 5th gear. Some of you only have 4 gears. But that's not me. Now, I mean, it feels pretty good. I don't like the lack of return spring from first to the center position area, but I mean, this is a 50-year-old transmission, so let's enjoy it. So yeah, if you're on the fence about installing it, I'd say do it. It's dirt cheap. All you gotta do is pull your center console, take some screws out, pull this rubber piece out, and you're in like Flynn. I mean, you probably actually could do it from the bottom side, but this whole car is getting worked on, so it's easier right now just to do all that. So yeah, smell you later.